Well, here we are. I'm blowing up one of our air mattress pads. They end up looking like this. And this is our setup. This is Jason and Joe. There's Drip over there. And Joe. And it's kind of big. Snakes Drip and gators. There's also a trail 4 hours later. There's also a trail. All right, I got both those in there. We had 3, one for Brooklyn, but she busted a hole in hers. That's the first layer. So now, as you see, she gets to sleep in our... There's the OG sleeping bag, mattress cover. We have our mummy sleeping bags for Drip and I. Okay, there you go. Those are our... And then Brooke gets this blanket and one more. And then we're done setting up. Let's go back here. There we are. Some water. Can't go too far.
All right, JW Corbett, Saturday afternoon, out here with the peeps. What? Get turned up.
Hippo by the water.
Say what up to Jay. What up? This guy right here will talk all day on the video camera.
He got us dragging wood back. That's my contribution.
That gosh dang firewood. Hey, hey! Sitting here with Jason, that's his trail name. Just met him out here at a campsite. He comes strolling through.
Oh, look who it is. This is the closest of what we're gonna get to the beach since our real fake beach wasn't there. Not too shabby. Crazy. Look at it, turn around, drippity drip drip.
JW and Drip. Dripping and flipping.
The crew. Good morning. It's 8:15. I'm just waking up. Someone's waiting on some breakfast. Just warmed up Brooke's breakfast straight from the griddle.
Sunday morning. JW. Woke up. Nice night. Temperature was just right. Old Brooke. She already ate. Jason and Joe still sleeping. Good morning.
You should close your mind if you want to feel my soul. I want you to be mine. I'm losing control.
Eggs. Have us a bacon and egg sandwich with a great view. Stopping at one of the last camps before we leave. It's really cool out here. It looks like the thistles are thick. It looks like
Who you are.